Hey everybody, back here at Dice Tower East 2026. Just wrapped up King of Tokyo Godzilla Edition. Absolutely love the game. I won naturally with King Ghidorah.
Okay, sir, I kept trying to hit you.
You kept trying and I kept dodging. Absolutely love the game. Simplistic in play. It's a, kind of a Yahtzee clone, kind of like Dice Throne and all those other games. But I loved it. 9 out of 10. I'll buy it.
Yeah.
Also love Godzilla, so definitely not showing any favoritism there.
Yeah. I mean, the game is really cute, though.
Yeah, all the artwork is really good.
Dudes.
It's all pretty thematically themed towards the characters. There's tons of references in the cards. Really good. My only gripe is there's no Heisei monsters in here. It's all Showa era.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, still here at Dice Tower East 2026. This time we're playing Clank in Space. A little bit of a Metroidvania-style deck-building game where you're going to go ahead, grab an artifact, and escape, but you can mess with your friends in the process. I like the game a lot so far. Dynamic gameplay. Everybody was playing it a very different way, so I got to see different strategies that I didn't think I was going to do or would enjoy.
You got way farther than I did. I immediately didn't make it anywhere near the end. Not even close.
Yeah, I was by far the quickest. I'm at the escape pod waiting to see if our other friend here is going to make it or not, but time will see. I guarantee I win the game, though. 6.5 out of 10. I like it, but I want to see a longer variation of this game. Hello everybody, this is Zach, still here at Dice Tower East 2026. Today we are playing River Valley Glassworks. We didn't have a ton of time on our hands and didn't want to learn a complicated game to just learn a new game, and wanted to try something new, so this was the thing that was recommended to us. We had a ton of fun.
It's a super cute little game. It takes maybe 5 minutes to read the rules and then about 15 minutes to play. So it was a cute little fun one.
Yeah, it was engaging for just 2 players. With more, I think this would have been more chaos and more fun. Mm-hmm. But overall, I mean, solid 8.5, 9 out of 10. I like this for just a quick pick-me-up kind of game. I could see me and Jen playing this at the house when we get bored.
All right, Zach, we have just finished Andromeda's Edge.
Yeah, that's right.
What did you think?
I like the game a lot. I like the game a lot. I'm so hungry, it's hard to formulate thought here. Once you get past the 1.5 hour long setup and tutorial for the game, it starts to play really quickly.
Yeah, we were here for 4 hours and we stopped it early. But it was, I don't know if I love it, but I don't hate it.
We'll need to play it again.
Good morning, everyone. Today is day 2 of Dice Tower East 2026. Took me a second there. I just wanted to kind of go over some of the stuff we got yesterday.
Go over our board game haul.
Yeah. So I'm going to start with the free bag that you get if you did not get a hotel room. I believe if you got a hotel room, you got a bigger badge.
Bigger, better, nicer bag.
Yeah, better. What he said?
Big, better, nicer.
Yes. So it's this cute little baggie. Get Arcane Wonders on the other side. And it came with 2 little coupon things. You got some Arcane Wonders stuff. You got some All Play stuff. Outer Rim Con stuff.
I guess it's some new thing.
It's the inaugural one. Mm-hmm. And then we got some exhibitor offers for visit their booths and take advantage of these special offers. And there's a handful of coupons on here. So that was nice. So just some little coupons and stuff.
Help encourage people to go visit those vendors. Mm-hmm. So that's important.
I will say the bag is even the one I saw, the hotel bag, wasn't the normal, the big, nice bags. It was kind of the more
the canvas tote style.
Yeah, and not the typical easy to store mini board games in bag, which I thought was a bit odd, but I'm not super worried about it. I still love the con. Alrighty.
Or maybe it's your brain.
Well, I mean,
it is the same thing.
Yes, it is. It just doesn't seem as
Well, this one's not as big as the nicer one that you get for supporting the hotel. Which, funny enough, we're in the hotel.
We are in the hotel.
We just didn't have our names on the booking.
We got...
That's some Kickstarter thing.
Yeah, it's a Kickstarter for a game called 9. You're a little dog doing something. I wasn't
I didn't pay attention to the
paying
demo.
attention to the demo.
We wanted to demo kitties and corgis.
Kittens versus corgis.
Yeah.
I got a... Oh, I don't know if you can see that with all the glare, but it's a
Dice Tower
playmat. Because I love me some of them. We got a couple of little promos. So we got a promo for this is what, Cities?
Yep, that's Cities.
Little Dice Tower promo for Cities. You got Dice Tower East, Dice Tower West, and word I can't read.
I imagine that might be trying to be Curacao Dice Tower as part of like the Dice Tower cruise.
Oh! It's English and Spanish. I'm sorry. Yes. East, West, and Cruise. There we go. I can read. We got a little promo for...
This is Andromeda's
Edge. Which I haven't played yet. We're planning on playing it today. We got a little
item for distilled.
Little new Dice Tower bottle. We got a Blood on the Clock Tower. It's the Cacklejack.
It's a outsider.
It's an experimental character for the game Blood on the Clock Tower.
Yep.
We got some little extra pieces for Deception Hong Kong. I got Green Team Wins, which should be similar to Blob Party, from what I understand.
Or it's not, and she doesn't understand. We're
or
not
it's
sure.
not, and people lied to me, but I think it's similar to Blob Party, which is what I was trying to do. And then, of course, Things and Rings. We got some other little promos there because Zach
Additional
loves
cards.
Things and Rings.
I'm wondering if I've already bought this because I feel like there's an alligator in ours. So I'll have to look through our deck.
Anything is possible. We got some more board game bands, and then we also got some small ones. So that'll be nice for some of our like all play games and stuff.
Yeah, like Things and Rings.
Yeah, like Things and Rings.
All right, so I really enjoyed Deep Regrets last year, and I found that there's a couple of things like this nice little mini expansion. It comes with a couple of additional cards for both the fish deck, the tools deck, and stuff like that.
It's 18 new, 18 sparkling new fish to tournament and horrify players. Oh, well, I was just reading.
Yeah, there's a content
including
there.
the great old one himself, plus 5 player availability cards that are dealt out at the start of the game, introducing new game mechanics and scaling with your madness. So yeah, it's got the rules, it's got 18 fish, and then 5 biggest regret player ability cards, which is cute.
Next up, we got an official expansion for the game. This is the Even Deeper Regrets. I didn't know it was going to come in this really cool newspaper.
Yeah, I think it's way better than the awful plastic that is bad for the environment.
Well, I'm wondering if the plastic is still under this.
I'm really hoping it's not.
That'd be really funny if it is.
Yeah, if it is, it's going to be a little saddening.
Alex put out a pretty good thought on this. So this packaging being newspaper is pretty synonymous with buying fish at a fish market, how they'll wrap it in newspaper for you since it absorbs all the moisture and everything. So I'm happy to see this.
Okay, I thought this was really pretty.
Yeah, we're definitely going to be playing this at some point. Maybe not during the con, but it is in a hot game, so maybe we see if my purchase was worth it. I have a nasty habit of just buying things before I actually play them, because I think I will enjoy them.
Well, you played the base game and you like that, so that's fine.
Yeah.
This one, however.
Speaking of a game that I think I would like and then haven't actually played yet, Raise the Realm Estate. Kind of a worker placement sim victory point style game, where you're just trying to get as much victory points before the end of the, fourth era or whatever in this game. So, it's a round limited Euro placement game.
I've seen the creators of this one at a handful of cons. They've been going pretty con heavy. They said they just released in
January.
It was like January,
We've
February.
been working alongside these guys for years.
But yeah, no, I've seen them a couple times at cons, and I was like, well, I haven't had a chance to play it because I've also been working the cons.
Well, and to see it all come together is nice.
Yeah, no, it's been looking real nice.
And last, but certainly not least, Formaggio. This is the limited edition one that All Play has for us, but this is an expansion to Fromage, a game that was on the Hot Games list last year, while also being a standalone experience. It can be played by itself or joined with its friend Fromage.
Can it be played by itself?
That's what it says.
this could be played on its own
Oh.
or combined with fromage.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like there's a new pairing wine with cheese mechanic that I'm excited for, being that is my career outside of this.
Yeah.
So this is going to be something fun to play around with.
All right. Anything you... Oh. Also, this T-shirt. I did get this T-shirt here, too. Which I forgot about.
I mean, if you want to go that far, we also got badge ribbons.
Yeah, we did get some little badgy ribbons. Do you like me some badgy ribbons? Anything you are looking forward to today? I know today we're going to do the demo of The Garden, which our buddy Jason is running. It's a new RPG system that you know way more about than I do.
I'm proofreading the book, so I know a lot more. Yeah.
And then I think we're going to play Andromeda's Edge. Other than that, I don't know what's in store for us today.
Hopefully, stumbling upon a sack full of $100 bills. I think that would be kind of the one that seals the deal for me today.
Yeah. But any games you want to play today? Or?
If we can learn how to play Castles of Burgundy, that. Maybe hit up the hot games and try something else.
Yeah.
I hope somebody comes back with the rule book for that one dinosaur game, because I wanted to play a dinosaur game.
Yep. And I know I have a couple Cretaceous rails I really want to try. I want to play a level 7 game so badly. There's a game I think you would really like. I told you about it last night.
Nemesis?
Nemesis, thank you. It's very aliens.
There's a whole bunch of promos for that at the Dice Tower booth, too.
So I think you will be all set for that one. All right. Well,
thank you all so much for tuning in.
Let's enjoy a day.